Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can link credit card to QuickBooks Online. So, the first thing that you will have to do is the first thing that you will do if you want to connect your account is you will sign into your account, and then you will select link account if you have already connected an account, and select link account on the bank transactions tab, and then you will search for your bank by name. And by the way, if you can't find your bank but can sign into its website, then you will select can't find your bank, try requesting it to request support, and then just go ahead and click continue. Then you will enter the user ID and the password you use for your bank's website, and you will just have to follow the on-screen steps to connect. And your bank might require additional security checks, and you will just have to select the specific bank accounts like checking, savings, or credit cards. And in your case, you want credit cards, so go ahead and select that, and you will just have to connect and choose how far you want to download the transactions. You can download time spans vary by bank, and some allow the last 90 days, others up to 24 months, or so on. And then after all that, you will just have to select connect and then select done. From the bank transaction page, you will just have to select update to download recent transactions automatically. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.